Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting updates of the 2025 Honda Odyssey. If you thought the 2021 revamp was impressive, wait till you see what's in store this time. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends who love cars as much as you do. Now, let's get into it. The 2025 Honda Odyssey is getting a sleek design and tech refresh that addresses some of the minivan's biggest pain points. Let's start with the exterior. Honda has given the Odyssey a fresh look with a new front grille and a restyled front bumper. The headlights remain the same, but the overall frontal view now has a sportier appearance, giving it a modern and dynamic feel. But the real game changers are inside the cabin. Honda has installed its latest infotainment system software, and it's a significant upgrade. You'll now enjoy wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity seamless. This all plays out on a larger 9-inch screen with a faster processor, ensuring a smooth and lag-free experience. And let's not forget the additional USB-C ports, which modernize the device charging experience for everyone in the van. Whether you're on a long road trip or just running errands around town, these updates make the 2025 Odyssey more user-friendly and enjoyable. So, there you have it, the 2025 Honda Odyssey with its sleek new design and tech upgrades. What do you think of these changes? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.